Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest Amazon purchase. This is the solar integrated trail camera. This is model TC09. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So if you've watched my videos in the past, you know I like buying these trail cameras. The reason I've started going with these is I always use, or I try and use, a solar panel anytime I put these out. And I really like these models that have the solar panel built into the camera. The nice thing about them is there are no cords or anything like that. You basically have solar panel mounted on your trail camera. So what I'm gonna do, let's take a look at everything we get first. Then we'll look at the camera, and then I'm going to put it out and I will attach some photos or videos depending on what I shoot. Now I will say this, I tend to shoot more in videos than photos, but if I get photos, I will attach those as well. Instruction manual, again, this is the model TC09. A simple operating guide. We've got a couple accessories in here. These are pretty standard as you get with most trail cameras. You have a standard USB charging cable. You're going to be using this to charge your solar panel. You have a strap that you can run through the back of the camera. And then you have the optional metal mounting bracket that you can use to mount it as well. This camera is a little bit simpler than the other models out there because it doesn't do Bluetooth or any of that stuff. It's just your basic trail camera, which is what I tend to use. I hunt in an area where I can't get cell phone or Wi-Fi, so the ones that connect to Wi-Fi don't do me a whole lot of good. Let's take a look at the camera. We have a card in here. Let me give you a glimpse of this. It's basically before you get started. There's some things on here like make sure you format your memory card, tear off the protective plastic, stuff like that. Kind of some basic things. When you get your camera, you have to be careful because they do have plastic that's covering the lenses. That's what they're saying. A lot of times people will throw these out and say, oh, the pictures aren't very clear. It's because they've got a piece of plastic on the lens, so you want to take that off. So look at the solar panel. You have two plastic clips over here on the side. You're going to keep it nice and snug. We talked about the mounting brackets. This would be where you run the strap through. If you want to use the metal mounting bracket, you have threads on the back. They don't have it on the bottom. They just have it on the back. Some other models out there will have it on the bottom. I'll show you a glimpse of the back. Hopefully you can see this okay. You can run it on 4 AA batteries with the solar panel if you want to. The way it will work is the solar panel will always be your first supply source of energy. And then in the event that your solar panel battery runs dead, it'll kick in and use the AA batteries instead. I do not put batteries in mine. I run it solely on the solar panel and the built-in power pack. So look at the inside of the camera. It does take a micro SD card. That's about the only thing I would have changed on this model. I tend to prefer the full-size SD cards. They're a little bit easier for me to handle, but this one uses a micro SD. I'll show you what the battery compartment looks like. Again, if you want to run AA batteries, you can put 4 of them in the battery compartment. So that is a quick unboxing. I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera out and I'll attach some images, see what kind of quality it has.